why do you want to work in the finance industry? How will you manage pressure and tight deadlines, which are going to be very common in the finance industry? If it's a financial analyst role, what are the top skills? If it's a customer service role, what are the top skills? If it's a branch manager role, what are the top skills? And then give an example. Hi Arshad, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good, ma'am.
Okay. So Arshad, tell me about yourself, please.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Arshad Khan and I'm from Manipur. I have done my education by pursuing a Bachelor of Science degree. At present, I'm pursuing BFSI course, which provide me a comprehensive knowledge of numerous financial procedure and operation. And I feel that any financial company would benefit from my excitement and ability to conceive a solution that don't come to mind, and this would allow me to make a great contribution to the company. This is a pleasure moment that I got a chance to represent myself in front of you today. Thank you.
All right. Thanks, Arshad. So my next question to you is, why do you want to work in the finance industry?
I feel that a career in the financial industry would be the most beneficial. I will use my knowledge and skill uh, in accounting and problem solving. I was fascinated by the financial world, and ambitious and hardworking can bring a great value to the company. That's all.
All right, Arshad, thank you. So my next question to you is, how will you manage pressure and tight deadlines, which are going to be very common in the finance industry?
Okay, during stressful situation, I keep an open mind and I look for a creative solution that can help me work through the problem. And I also give my time to give myself to relax, recharge, and confident.
All right, Arshad, thank you. My next question is, can you tell me about a time when you had a financial difficulty or a financial challenge, and how did you overcome it?
Till now, I did not experience any financial problem, but if I do in the following days, uh, I make sure I will focus in my problem, and first of all, I will pay attention uh, to avoid buying new, and I will be realistic when I come to a financial problem.
Okay, Arshad, my last question to you is, why do you think we should hire you?
Actually, I have no uh, lack of area of improvement, but if I join in this company, then I will give my best of my best to this company.
All right. Thank you so much, Arshad. So now let me start with the feedback. Okay. So, good. See, your English communication is good. Fluency is good. Okay. The way you have seated and all is also good. You have maintained eye contact. That is also good. Okay. Now let's talk about the first question where I spoke about introduce yourself. All right. So in that question, you should not say I am Arshad. You will say my name is Arshad Khan. So don't say I am. Say my name is. Okay. Then talk about your skills. You need to talk about the skills that you have. So imagine you're giving a role for a customer service associate. So what are the top 3 skills that you have? You could talk about communication, client relationship management, problem solving. They are very relevant in finance industry. So talk about those skills. The skills were missing. Okay? The third thing is your speed. Too fast. You need to slow down your speed, because when you speak too fast, I might not be able to process everything that you're saying, and you will finish your answers quicker, which is where you can spend about 30 seconds for an answer. You're going to finish it off in 15 seconds, which is a very, very short answer. So work on your speed. You need to slow down. For example, hello, ma'am. Good morning. My name is Rinda Gupta. I come from Delhi. Okay, I've had talking about my educational background. I've done my graduation from. So going slow is very important. Okay, and then you need to highlight your passion. So your intro was good, but the skills and passion was missing. Why are you passionate about finance? Okay, and a proper conclusion. What are you looking forward to by working in this company? Okay, so add these points in your first question. Second question was, why do you want to work in the finance industry? Okay, like I said, because you were going too fast now, your words were not clear, right? So I could not clearly understand what you were saying. So when you speak slowly, you will be able to speak more clearly. So work on your speed so that your communication is clear. Okay, give an example of the time you used your skills. Now when you're saying that you have a certain skill set that makes you the right fit for finance, what are those top 3 skills? Okay, and give an example of when you have used those skills. Maybe when you were doing a course with PW, when you were doing an assignment, maybe when you were doing a project, maybe in your own personal life while helping your family members. So give an example. It's really important that you demonstrate your answers through an example so you're more credible. I'm able to trust you more. Okay? Talking about the third question is how do you manage time, right? Stress and tight deadlines. So first thing is I want you to take a pause for a few seconds before you respond. So like when I was asking you a question, you were already ready to answer. Don't do that. Just listen to the HR completely. Just nod your head to understand. And once the HR has completed asking their question, wait for 2-3 seconds and then respond. So take time to respond. Okay, don't immediately respond. Take time. Smiling is very important. Smile was missing. You have such a lovely smile, so flaunt it. Okay, and talk about any technique that you use. Through our sessions, we have learned so many time management techniques, right? Eisenhower, Pomodoro, time blocking, prioritization. Talk about any technique that you use and give an example. For example, now you're doing a course. You have core banking and soft skill assignments. How are you using the technique to manage your time? And then conclude it properly by saying that this is how I am going to use this technique and manage my time even at work. So a proper conclusion is important. Okay, that is your question number 3. Going to question number 4, I think I had asked you on what was my fourth question? Fifth was why should we hire you? Fourth one was
Why do you work in the finance industry?
what skills do you have, right? That makes you the right fit. Yes. So here you have to refine your strategy more. Give your top 3 skills and use an example that, at this situation, this is what I did. This is the skills that I used. This is the result that I achieved, which is why I feel that all these skills are going to be very, very dominant and very important in the part of finance industry. So I feel that these skills will help me to work better. Okay, that is your fourth question. Your last question was why should we hire you? You just gave a 1 or 2 line answer. That's not enough. Yes, I know that the preparedness was not there. Maybe it was a very impromptu question. But how you're going to answer this is you have to talk about your skills, your USP, and that should be completely tailored to your job role. Okay? If it's a financial analyst role, what are the top skills? If it's a customer service role, what are the top skills? If it's a branch manager role, what are the top skills? And then give an example of a time when you use those skills and tell them that this is how I'm going to use the skills to the best of my knowledge to be a part of the finance industry to help the company also grow and also for my own personal and career development. Okay, so this is how you're going to answer these 5 questions. Keep a note on these points, work on your speed and on your smile as well. But yes, for the rest, good luck and thank you so much for joining this interview with me. It was a pleasure having you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks, Arshad.